Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on a road trip with some of my friends. We're going to the Queen Zoo, which is like a petting zoo. So we can feed them and we can touch them and we can take pictures with them. So it's gonna be super exciting and fun. And I'll take you guys along with me. So let's go. This is today's zoo fit. I went with these bell-bottom pants and a summery flowy top because we'll be walking around a lot and I think it's perfect for the zoo. Let me know what you guys think. And I have the sunglasses, the necklace, golden earrings.
Hello, I'm Rukaya and I'm Fatu's sister. Hello guys, my name is Rukaya.
Hey guys, so we're officially on the way to the zoo.
Totally not.
We are so hyped, guys. Trust us. I think after coffee they'll be fine.
Yeah. So we're getting coffee so that everyone gets hyped up and they have more energy to go to the zoo.
Right.
Let's go.
What do you want to eat?
Iced latte. That's it? That's it, no sugar. Anyone wants anything?
I want.
What? There's matcha you want?
Hi, can I get an iced latte, no sugar?
Ice latte, no sugar size, sir.
Spanish latte.
Small.
Small.
Small ice latte.
Wait 1 second. What do you
It's
get?
ice Spanish.
Ice Spanish.
Flavor, sir, but
No flavor, no flavor. No flavor.
No flavor.
no flavor.
And one Spanish ice latte.
And can I get a Spanish iced latte as well?
Spanish latte, ice size, small size.
Size?
Kya size? Small.
Small.
So, small ice latte and small ice Spanish latte.
Yes.
I'm actually okay, sir.
Khatam?
That's
Yeah.
all, sir.
Okay, that's it.
Alright, that's it.
See you next one.
Alright, thank you.
Guys, so we've got the coffee and Fatu got the chips. The chips.
I got nachos. And I got the tomato potato chips. And then I got
Take this.
the chocolate.
But I'm deleting everything after I send it to you, okay?
Oh, we're ready.
We're at the zoo. Why does it look like we're in India? No?
Guys, I am in India.
राजस्थान हम लोग कैमल को देखना है राजस्थान
कैमल को नहीं, जिराफ को देखना है, मंकीज को देखना है.
स्पेशली मंकीज को देखना है. Guys, we can name each other an animal.
I'm giraffe.
You're giraffe,
I'm giraffe.
obviously, because look at you.
Yeah.
What are you?
I will decide.
You'll decide. She wants to be monkey. She wants to be
I don't even know.
Sahil is the kid of the zoo.
He's the dog. I'm Mowgli. He's Mowgli.
You're Mowgli?
Yeah, obviously.
But
My
you-
hair used to be like Mowgli, no?
You were wolf, no?
Fine, wolf.
Woof woof.
Wolf with clothes.
You wanted to be wolf. Got the herbs. What the herbs? To feed the animals. Wait, can we feed the bear also? No?
Let the bears be.
Who can we feed? Let's go say hi to the bears. Oh my god. Everyone has baby voice now. Oh, they're mean, no? They're deer.
Enjoy, buddy. This is very satisfying.
Just fed the deers and the giraffe. Ullu. Guys, look at these cuties. It's moo time. They're cows.
Do they have horns
They, they look like Switzerland cows, no?
Swiss cows probably.
Swiss cows.
Wait, how much?
ये तो भाव ही नहीं दे रहा है bro. He's just नाराज from Rukaiya.
Please, look at me. Please.
This is Sahil to every girl. No bhav given.
Oh wow, this is not freely.
Guys, that's Scar and his girlfriend. Oh, we have Mufasa also.
You're hungry, no? You chill.
Good. And normal tiger. And then we have white lion. and he's in the open. He has the strength to like.
No, this is the one you
He
go
has
for
a-
encounters with.
Yes.
You can meet them personally.
Really?
Yeah.
But doesn't they have don't they have like strength to like open that chain?
No.
No?
But they just have a neck.
I think they can.
No, they can't. And firstly, they
can in the wild, but not in zoos because they can.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, they can do it, but they just don't know.
Look at it dancing. Yo, bro. Hello. Can we feed it someone? You're so cute. Try feeding him. Would you like some?
खिलाना पड़ा कितना कंजूस है खिलाने में भी ओ ओ ओ ओ ओ
Bite my hand off.
feeding them peanuts. It's high demand time, guys. They're fighting for it.
Not you. You've had enough. You can have. Raccoon. Have you guys watched
Guardians of the Galaxy.
This is Rocket. Can you feel?
Where's the Groot? Oh, this is
The
Groot.
tree.
Groot.
Yeah, he's on Groot. Yo, I think he wants some. Let's try.
ये full on rocket लग रहा है नीचे बैठा हुआ.
ये वाला?
हाँ, देखना कितना cool है. उसके पास गन नहीं है बस.
Gun. Yeah, he just needs a rocket. I don't think he'd be in a cage if he had a gun.
Sahil is being besties with the guy. ए बिड़ू बिड़ू प्लांट दे दे बिड़ू.
Oh, he's nice.
Jackie Shroff.
Watch out. So guys, we've eaten in the most Malwari cafeteria on the planet. I didn't even have food because I couldn't be asked once I got to open the car. So I don't know why Yashvi is not giving me the vlog. I think she's just slightly afraid that I'm gonna do better than her at vlogs. You can make a better vlogger than Yashvi.
He's taking footage.
I'm not taking footage. This is gonna be everything inside your vlog.
No, I have a lot more like monkeys in my vlog.
Shit.
Except
No,
me.
Rukaiya. There she is. Okay. Wait, I'll give the phone to Yashvi.
क्या खाया तुमने? Did you eat onion inside your
No, that was mint.
That was minced.
Then I
But
had
everyone
some
thought it's
weird dry ass
onion.
Do you
parota.
guys need bread pipes?
Parota.
Parota.
The name is parota. Tikka parota.
There's 70%.